Hello everyone, good morning. This is NJ here. Welcome to English class. Today we are gonna view narration, that means direct speech and indirect speech. Guys and girls, let's go through. Guys and girls, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. आज हम नरेशन के बारे में, बयानिए के बारे में जानकारी की कोशिश करते हैं और इनसे जैसे जुमले बनाए जाते हैं उनकी जांच करते हैं और उन जुमलों को दोहराने की कोशिश करते हैं। साथ ही हम ये भी देखेंगे कि डायरेक्ट स्पीच बराह रास्त गुफ्तगू और इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच बिलवास्ता गुफ्तगू को कैसे आपस में चेंज किया जाता है, कौन कौन सी चीज़ें इसमें चेंज करते हैं हम। आइए गाइस एंड गर्ल्स पीछे वाइट बोर्ड पे इन जुमलों की प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। हे यू सी गाइस एंड गर्ल्स, द फर्स्ट sentence or statement is in direct speech. It says they said comma inverted comma start, our teacher is on leave commas close full stop. They said inverted commas our teacher is on leave. Now we have to change this statement into indirect speech. Now we see here they said that commas will replace by that will take the place of commas, and next you see their teacher was on leave. They said that their teacher was on leave. Here see in the direct statement our is the first person, it belongs to first person category. It will be changed by outer subject, that is they. So we will write this next state there and their teacher, and is also changed into was is replaced by was is in place of is because is a present, and here you see in the first statement is a said is the past tense. So automatically when we go to indirect speech, by rules for the change of direct speech into indirect, the is will change into the past, and past of is was on leave. So the indirect statement we see here, they said that their teacher was on leave. They said that their teacher was on leave. Okay guys, you see two changes. First change is of pronouns. Our will take the place, will be replaced by they, and is will be replaced by was. So this is the first statement of direct speech and the indirect speech. Now we see the second statement of direct speech, which is he said to me comma inverted comma start, you are not running fast, you are not running fast commas close full stop. Here see guys, he said to me is the first part of this statement, and second part is inside the commas. You are not running fast, and you see here inside the commas you see you. Here you is the second person. By rules you will be replaced by me, outer object. Me is object in this outer statement, so you will be replaced by me, and we will write I as a first person after that. So you see indirect speech here, he said to me, outer statement will remain the same and commas will be replaced by that. He said to me that I was not running fast. Again we see the verb is here in present, or is the present form of the verb, and it will be changed by outer verb, that is said. It's the past, so the or will be replaced by was. So you see the indirect statement is he said to me that I was not running fast full stop. This is the change. Now we see the third statement, which is direct speech. The teacher said, who is author of this book? The teacher said, comma, inverted comma start, who is the author of this book? Commas close, interrogative sign. This is a question. The teacher said, teacher ने कहा, who is the author of this book? इस किताब का मुसन्निफ कौन है? This is a query. Now when we change the query, there are certain rules apply. Here you see guys, in indirect speech, their teacher asked. Their teacher asked. Said is replaced by asked. Their teacher asked. Teacher ने पूछा. And who will remain the same? All W words and H how will remain the same when we convert the direct speech into indirect. Keep in mind this is by rules. These words will remain same. Now here see the teacher said who the author of that book was. Who the author of that book was. Now here you see that it is a positive statement. It is a positive statement. Now we have written who here and then we have changed the interrogative sentence into a positive. The author of this will be replaced by that. By rules there are certain words that will change. So by rules this will be replaced by that. So we add here that and book is object and there is a verb was because was is here because of is will be replaced by said. Said is the past form of say. So when is replaced by said, so we have to write the past form of is, that is was. Now new statement you see here in indirect speech. The teacher asked who the author of that book was. उस्ताद ने पूछा उस किताब का मुसन्निफ कौन था. So you see three changes here. First is changes of the verb, second change is of the of and that, and third change is that there is no that. Instead of writing that we put who here and that is removed. Now here see guys, the fourth statement of direct speech is she said to him. She said to him, comma, inverted comma start, what are you doing? What are you doing? Commas close, interrogative sign. This is also a query. This is also a question. She said to him, उसने उससे पूछा, what are you doing? आप क्या कर रहे हो? Now when we change it into indirect speech, we will write as she asked him. She asked him. Said is replaced by asked. She asked him. उसने उससे पूछा. As by rules, we won't put here that. We will write the what in the same state, and what is here. She asked what he was doing. Now you see he is here because here you see in the direct statement you is the second person, and by rules you will be replaced by the outer object which is him. You see here him is here and him's subjective form is he. So we write he here. She asked him what he was doing. She asked him what he was doing. She asked him what he was doing. And same verb is replaced by said, outer verb which is in the past tense said, and we will write the past form of are, that is was. Now here you see indirect speech is she asked him what he was doing. उसने पूछा कि वो क्या कर रहा था. This is a positive statement. So guys, today we have learned about the changes of direct speech and their conversion into indirect speech, and we adopted different rules to change these statements into indirect statements. So guys, I hope you will make a good practice with these changes and will memorize them. So doing so, you will be able to convert in direct speech into indirect speech very well. Thank you. See you next. Goodbye.